Hey guys. Hi guys. Hey, Shoelace. I'm not gonna let you out. You have to stay in that cage. You have to get used to it. Oh, she's chewing on the chew toy. Is her name Squishy?
No. Mom hasn't verified it yet.
Alright.
No, not Squishy.
David.
Terrible name.
What about Shoelace? Is Shoelace good?
Squishy is the name for someone who died quickly.
I just got an idea. We can name him
Shoelace.
Shoe. We can name him Shoe and name her Lace.
Go tell Mom.
Oh, Shoe and Lace.
Yeah.
Shoe and Lace.
Shoe and lace. Shoelace. I know, Shoe. You'll get used to it.
I still like Japanese name better.
I know, but
Just make it a Japanese name
I know, but Mom wants something that she can pronounce easily.
She said maybe.
Maybe?
Yeah, she laughed at it and said maybe.
No. Show.
Shoe
Oh,
and Lace.
Shoe.
Shoe.
Huh?
Shoe.
Yeah, why not?
Show.
Show?
It's a Japanese name,
Hmm.
and it's easily pronounceable.
Show.
Kirito.
I know some people named their dog Kyrie, or Jeremy's dog's name.
Oh,
is
now
Kratos.
she's just chewing on the chew toy.
GLaDOS.
GLaDOS?
GLaDOS.
Kratos.
Kratos?
Yeah, Kratos from God of War.
Oh.
I actually said GLaDOS, but okay. From Portal 2.
They're so cute.